What's up YouTube, headphones and stuff, coming at you with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick look at what you're going to get if you order the Thundercat It Is What It Is vinyl in the cream colorway. Now I pre-ordered this a few months ago and the album just came out at the beginning of this month, so I just now received it in the mail. This is Thundercat's fourth full-length album. We had Drunk back in 2017 and now we have It Is What It Is. So let's take a look at the actual cover here. As you can see, you have that picture of Steven Thundercat right there, as well as this reflective, shiny, kind of rainbow finish on this paper wraparound that has the producer credits who's featured, as well as the track list on the back. Kind of hard to get a good focus on this because it's so shiny and weird. But if you take that off, we can get the full look at the front here. You have Brainfeeder Records up in the top left corner, as well as the Thundercat It Is What It Is kind of cursive signature style title with the picture of Steven right there. If you turn it around, you have the track list. You have features from people like Lewis Cole, Childish Gambino, Steve Lacy, Zach Fox, Lil B, Ty Dolla $ign. All kinds of good features on here. It's a pretty good record. Most of the songs are pretty short, but there's a lot to enjoy on it, and the production by Flying Lotus and Thundercat is real fun. And this is a matte finish, if you're wondering. Now, this vinyl does not open up. I believe there are other versions of this vinyl that come with more artwork and stuff, but this is just kind of the cream basic colorway. I know they had a clear one, a red one with the logo. This is the cream colorway. So if you take the actual record out of the slot there, you can see that it comes wrapped in this black paper. And then if you take out the actual record, you have this really nice cream vinyl record with this black middle part here, A and B sides. And yeah, it's a really nice feeling record. It's definitely got some weight to it. Definitely a really cool color. It was personally my favorite out of the three that they had. The clear was also really cool, but I think cream is just a really solid color and I really enjoy it. So there you have it. That is the vinyl version of It Is What It Is by Thundercat. I believe they're still probably available on Thundercat's website or the Brainfeeder shop if you want to check that out, as well as probably some record stores as well. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to check out some of my other videos. Mostly it's on clothing and some talks as well, and I'll see you next time.